Good morning, students. I'm here with the numerical that I had just shared, which goes this way. Reduce level of graph along the center line of a proposed road for chain age 10th to chain age 20th are given below. The formation level at the 10th chain age is 107 and the road is in downward gradient of 1 in 150 up to chain age 14. And then the gradient changes to 1 in 100 downward. Formation width of road is 10 meters and side slopes of banking are 2:1. Length of the chain is 30 meters. Draw the longitudinal section of the road and the typical cross section and prepare an estimate of the earthwork at the rate of rupees 275 per cubic meter. So this is the data that is given to us, chainage and RL of ground. So here you can see the chainage is from 10 till 20 and it's changing at 14. Let us move to the solution of this question. So first of all, you will be writing the chainage and RL of ground. That is already given in the question. 10 till 20. Then we will be doing for RL of formation. Now this is your RL of formation. In this RL of formation, how did we understand that it's 107? Because in question it was mentioned that the RL of formation is 107. So this was the RL of ground. So it is said that till RL of 14 it is 1:50 downward slope. So since it's 1:50, you're going to write 1/50 into 30. Now what is this 30? This 30 is the length of chain. So it goes as 1/150 into 30, which comes as 0.2. That 0.2 has to be deducted from 107. After you deduct 0.2 from 107, you will find it as 106.80. Again, for the next step, we are going to take 106.80 minus 0.2. This 0.2 will be constant till 14 chainage. Then 106.80 minus 0.2, you will get 106.60. Again, from this 106.60, you will deduct 0.2, you will get 106.40. After deducting 0.2 again, you will find it as 106.20. Now that is in the 15th chainage. In the 15th chainage, they are saying that it's 1/100. The slope is 1/100 when you see in the question. So it is 1/100 into 30. 30 is again the length of the chain and you get the answer as 0.3. Now again from RL of formation, that is 106.20, you are going to deduct 0.3 and this is 105.90. So from here till 20th chainage, you are going to deduct 0.3 from every value. Now next comes depth of bank. Depth of bank is RL of formation minus RL of ground. Let me show you the first step how we got to. So this is RL of formation 107 and this is RL of ground 105. So you are deducting 105 from 107. That you got as 107 minus 105, you got 2. For the entire steps from 10 chainage to 20th chainage, you are going to deduct all RL of grounds from RL of formation. Then you are going to get these values. So let us go to the next step. Now in the next step, this type of table has to be made. Now here, this is the station or chainage. This is the length in between stations that we already know. This is the height or depth that you had got just now. Then comes mean height or depth. See, in mean height or depth, what you're going to do, you're going to take average of these two. First steps, you don't need to write anything. You're going to start from the second step. This has to be written as 1.2 plus 2 divided by 2. You got it as 1.6. Again, you're going to take mean of this 1.2 plus 1.16. After taking average, you got